Introduction. Go to a product or range of products that aren't selling as fast as you would like them to. Selling online is an art and science, and the smallest change can be therefore have profound effect on your success. In this report, you will discover five statistics it will drastically boost your sales all in less than 7 days. 1. Redesign your site with psychology in mind. If you were manager of your store like Tesco Express of the scope, then you of the biggest aspect of your do would be to make sure that you organize the stock and the layout of the store in general in a way of the highly connexive to sales and that would encouraging people to discover your product and offers and to buy. And it would be your job main hill to ensure that the product they bought were right ones, the ones you they had larger quantity of your ones that you got most profit for. You would be consistently moving things around, typing different combination and layout and seeing what worked best for your profile. Well, if you run website that was website store or if you are in process of your building or web store, then think or even different. It is still your job to make that you product are going to sell as best possible and to apply little thought to even smallest details of your store. Avoid distraction. If you or have visitor landing page selling something like a ebook, then you will be familiar with your long narrow strip text that the future. The reason for this, it is devoted distraction, meaning people will stay on your site and be more likely to click buy rather than to be distracted by an article. Use contrast. Contrast work is two-way acts, both physically visual content that will make you color and image stand out, and contract in terms of the product you are going to be have display. With the regard to the first, I am obviously referring to the use contrasting color draw attention to the item you want to people look at. And that is very simple way to direct people gaze. And by second point, I mean placing item to different prints text to one another, essential them in different way. By putting a very expensive item next to very cheap one, for instance, you make the cheap one seem really cheap and you let people click buy without feeling quality. Because they can say, I will just go for cheaper one, then whether you expensive ones become the luxury item that people who wanted to go for the most site option can go for. Think color. Color psychology can also a big role in your sales success. Light, cool colors like blue are fantastic for getting people to spend longer on a page because they are climbing whereas color like red raise and the heart rate and engage impressive behavior. Think about how you can advantage of these facts. 2. Make them work for it. You might think that making someone work to get your buy button would be a bad move. It is would put them off. Actually, some in case it can be very useful. The another reason is the landing page works so well instant because they force a viewer to scroll down for page at which point they feel like they have committed to buy. Meanwhile, if you are something that everyone is looking for and you know people want, the heading is somewhere on the site can be great way to make them look at the other offer you have. Consider you best deal in the build and you can them attempt the to buy more. You can even more product see more exclusive by creating certain condition the exclusive member to make the take more action. For example, you may you may sell item in only to member of your exclusive Facebook page group. 3 upsell. Ops standard point of sales, which is the point of at which customer get out their credit card to buy. On your website, that is where every they enter the details, and this is a perfect opportunity to offer them something else to add their order. That's why you can offer them the option to increase their purchase incrementally, which never seem like much. And you can do it when you reader gotten past barrier to sales, which is the effort involved to committing to buy. They already have their card in their hands. So why not add gift war or small token if it means they can combine postage? This is a highly effective because it let slightly increase the amount the person is spending with you once they have already committed to buying. Getting out wallet in deciding to buy is a huge barrier to sell. Once you customer or check out them, you have done hard part. There is no reason not to try and increase the value of their purchase. 4. Collecting serious data. If you run online business, then collecting data is one of the most important aspect of the and it's something you need to prioritize as a curious element fail is to recognize the importance of collecting data about your customer, about your product, about the market and more can lead to your message out on some seriously big opportunity and even cause you to barrier handling into something serious mistake. Read on the while take a look at why data is important and at what can you do with it. Who's buying? The first thing to look at the who's buying your product or perhaps click on your ads. In other words, who are your customer, where do they live, what is their budget, and what are their hobbies and interests. This is very important because it is so your who or target audience should be. You may find that you are actually targeting entirely the wrong kind of audience that you thought your product would sell to midly and them, but actually it is danger who are more interesting, which will allow you to correct calls. Like this, you might find you're simply missing out on some potential opportunity. Who's looking? There is a fine line between someone who buys your product and someone who just look at them. Your job to find that line and them to make sure that as many people cross it the possible. Normally the people looking at your product For not buying will be people who have seen your marketing and have become interesting but decided against marketing a purchase because they think your offering is too expensive or because they think the competitor offer a more complex purchase. In such a case, then you might decide to use more direct marketing showing how your product is marketing leader, or you might decide to cut the price for a limited time. It's only testing or different price point and different deals, though you'll stand a change of making them sell. Testing. And when you start testing, that is when collecting data become even more important. If you cut the price of your product and you then find then start selling like wildfire, you will need to know precisely when the increase the sales began so that you can be certain that is was change in price that caused the increase. Likewise, you will want to get details information about who was most affected by the price cut. It might be selected number of potential customer where drive away the price out. Assume it means that is a quality was lower whereas then you need to sell two slight different version. What is selling? This brings you nicely on to another point. Identify which of your product are selling the best so that you can focus more effect on them. Use that feedback of direct future product to develop. You don't want to invest too much time money into something that has been showing not to sell. Feedback. Getting data is also important when it comes to promoting your business. If you every want to get investment from a big corporation of or you every want to work with a big partner, then you will need to get feedback regarding your business so that you can present that raw data in promotional region.
5. Use more prescriptive sales copy. When you get professional website design as a company, this is an important investment for your business. The idea is that you creating basically a virtual advertise that you want to find in your order to get more information about your company, learn about your service. At the same time, your web page is signing will be created in such a way often that you can order your service or product online. In this sense, it does become a virtual shop too, or at the very least, it's a portal to your service and more information. This requires a good professional website design that is easy and intuitive to negative, that is pleasant on the eye of reflective of your business and that will grab your attention or views and not let go that's not all this dependent on though. It is also of course depending on your business being good, of your offering good service and at the good price and of your clear strategy to pick people interested. Then it related on the content on and your marketing space.
Your website design will handle your website design is from of your programming and graphic design. They might even handle a SEO for you. However, for most part of the actual copy and content will be up to you. The writing that great your customer when they find your page and the writing sells your product. You describe your company. This is up to you and to need to make sure that design it to be as effective as possible. In the other word, unless you hire professional copywriting, it is up to still to sell the product and through the medium of the internet where people have little patience on little time anything that can be quick tricks. So how do you about writing content that will obey people in the rules? Rule member on to grab your attention right away. This is always important, but in the case of the internet where we are used to short snippets of information, it is paramount. State simple and bloody and head each sentence what is it that your company provided and if you are marketing a product like we start right away it is that it does. Don't open with the fun quip in the rhyme. State simple this device will make you open on time every morning or you we design the very best logo and brand and companies. Once you have hit them with fact, it is the important start to let them know in details why your is the best. Don't be afraid of your little hyperbole, but also be sure to create a narrative that involves that reader and draw in these people. People like stores, which is the why many sales pitch online tell of the author's success or describe with the like with the product. At the same time, people like to be engaged directly, so use the word your lot and ask a rhetorical question. Do you like paying too much for your car insurance? There is much more to writing a good sales pitch, but this is will get you started on the right lines. And combined with a good web, it will convert the visitor to your site into paying customer with the best possible efficiency. With there is five changes. You will have highly optimized your sales process and can expect to see huge upstick in sales enjoy.